Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am sitting in my closet. I recently cleaned my closet out, but it is a catch-all for everything. So it is time again. I am going to be following the whole minimalist, less is more mentality. I've been going through my house, as I've told you guys in other videos. I'm just cleaning out everything in my house. I don't want any more clutter. I want it cozy, not cluttered. So here's a ton of clothes and stuff that I just don't need anymore. So I'm going to be going through this, all the clothes that I think are, valuable, but I can't wear anymore, or just, it's time to move on. I'm going to be putting those on my Poshmark account. I will have all of the information for that in the description box below. So definitely go follow me on there and you'll be able to shop my closet if you want to. So let's get started. So as you guys see, I'm throwing one pile over here, donation, and the other pile here is the stuff that I'm going to put in my Poshmark account. I will always start cleaning out my closet by making piles before I start tackling some of the inner stuff like the dresser and whatnot. So I'm going to go through everything, have my little piles, and then once I'm done with that, I'll be able to focus on one pile at a time. That helps me stay focused. A lot of times I will start cleaning and then I'll move to one section and I'll start cleaning there, and I've left everything behind. This helps me stay focused in one area. So that's one of my little tips. Make piles, and then when you're done making those piles, then go to that one pile and finish it completely. Either put it in a bin for donation, put it in your, do whatever else you're gonna do with it, whether it's Facebook, like you're gonna sell them or whatever the case may be. Focus on one at a time and don't move to the next one until the other one's done. That definitely is what helps me out. Another thing I wanted to mention, I am going to have, like, if you guys have anybody who is in need of some boy clothes, please let me know. I would be happy to make like a grab bag full of clothes. And when like I said, I'm going to put everything in a pile. I will eventually separate all those things into, women's clothes or boys' clothes, and then by ages. Let me know if you know anybody that is in need of any boy clothes, because I know there's sometimes seasons in life where, you just might need a little bit. So I would love to bag all that up. You guys could just pay for shipping and I would be happy to send that to someone who needs it. Yes?
I'm going to take him.
Okay, I'll pack him something cute to wear.
This is a Lynn I know. This is Lynn. This is Lynn. I'd come home and this would be my closet. I'd be working all day. I come home, there's my closet. I'm like, well, okay. She just needed to do it.
I just need to do it.
This is you. This is so you.
I love it. It makes me feel so much better.
Let me buy your white pants.
Huh?
Let me buy your white pants. One you have on the...
You want them?
I think would they fit?
They're right here.
Let me just look at them.
I do need $25.
I know.
I would never ask you for money.
I know that, but I just think.
Oh my gosh.
If you want them.
Well, they fit me, but they're a little, they need to relax, and they're not going to, so they're gonna fit you great.
So I got what I deserved, you know it. I wanted it to hurt, so wrong of me to cross that line. If I could, I would push rewind. It's my fault, I'll give you my heart, you can crush it, moving on. I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Waving the white flag. Waving the white flag.
So this is the end result. This is all donation. This is all to sell. This is the bin I'm going to put everything in to sell. I have got a thread up clean out bag coming. So whatever doesn't sell within about a week, it'll go there because I'm not going to hold on to it. So, and I have some really cute stuff. Look at these shoes. Oh, so gorgeous. Size 8. So, I've got a lot of stuff to post. So make sure you guys check out my Poshmark. I can actually, those two things are going to go in the garage. The extra bar stool, I'm just going to leave it there. I got it looking pretty organized. Those shoes need to go back. I have old electronics in there. My hats and my holiday scarves. They're really thick blanket scarves, so those go there. Bras, you don't need to see that. I've got my shoes. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep those. I'm kind of just thinking about it. All clean here. I actually got these boots from ThredUp. You guys have got to try ThredUp. I love it. And what I really love is when they send you a clean out bag, you just fill it up and send it right back to them. And then you don't have to hold on to the stuff when you're trying to sell it. So then I got all my colored skinny jeans. I love colored skinny jeans. I just do. My jeans. Got diaper bag there that I need to probably get rid of as well. So that will actually go in my Poshmark account too. So, and then some extra scarves back here. And these are hoodies and whatnot that we don't need very often. My husband doesn't have a very big closet, so he puts it in here. Those are Christmas. Christmas. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated you and encouraged you to clean up and clean out your space. It feels so good to clean out my closet again and get rid of all of this. I just did this 2 months ago, but it's something that has to constantly happen. My closet is a catch-all, so it definitely needed to be done. Look, I can actually see the floor. That's kind of a big deal. Especially excited about taking care of this dresser because every time I went to get something out of it, clothes were billowing out of it. So I'm glad that's taken care of. Somebody else will be able to find joy in those items. So that's really awesome. The more you do this, the more you declutter and organize, the easier it gets. So if you're real sentimental about certain items in your home, the more you do this, you'll be able to get rid of it and you'll be able to really hone in on how it feels to let it go, which is really awesome. So definitely keep pushing through. I'm doing every room in this house, like I said, so keep up with the series. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd love to have you join my little family. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.